Hey, my name is Luis Benitez, and I'm one of the product managers for IBM Connections. Today, I want to give you a quick demo of some of the new metrics that we've released so that you can measure the usage and monitor what's working and what's not in your community. So let's start. Here, I'm in the metrics section, and you have three categories: people, participation, and content. Under people, you have a couple of things that you can measure, and you can select the time frame that you want to look at: last week, last month, last quarter, etc. Here you have a couple of quick stats overall, whether it's trending upwards or trending downwards. And then here you can actually see by date some of the metrics, right? So for example, if I look at Tuesday, blogs had 37 visits, files had 26, etc. And perhaps I only want to look at certain things, so I can turn off forums and files and now look at the trends for blogs, ideation blog, and so forth. I can tell that ideation blog is certainly my most popular one. And of course, Saturday and Sunday got very little usage in the system. I can switch back and forth between a table view and a chart view in case I wanted to see the data in another way. And on the right-hand side, I can get a quick snapshot of the top contributors. I'm going to pick on one of my colleagues, for example, Suzanne, and I can see that her content had 83 reads, 10 likes, 4 replies, and I have a quick link to that top content. Speaking of top content, I can go into the contact section here. And here I can quickly tell at a glance the most popular content in the system. In this case, it looks like a wiki on IBM Verse. Now again, I can turn off things. So for example, I want to look at only wikis, or I want to look at only blogs. And I can see the most popular blogs are actually listed right here. Again, I can go back to overall, or switch back and forth between the table and the chart here. And then lastly, I can go into participation, where I can see more trends. Perhaps I can see number of new updates, new ideas, new forum topics, and depending on the filter, you can go back and forth and see how it's trending. And lastly, notice on the view all metrics, if you want to get a quick list of metrics specifically for one particular component, you can jump here to that specific report. And as you can see, there's a bunch of reports here to pick from. So that's it. And if you want to learn more, go to ibmcloud.com/social.